Before we get in today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Mark, and in today's video, we're going to be heading to the absolutely amazing Heaven Dimension. That's right, guys, we're going to be heading to the absolutely amazing, awesome, and epic Heaven Dimension. I just hope when we make it inside this absolutely amazing dimension, we get to meet up with some angels, guys, because that would be absolutely amazing. You know what would be even more amazing than that is if I actually got turned into an angel myself, guys. But what you guys are going to need to head to this absolutely amazing dimension is you're going to need 20 white wool. You want to go ahead and place 5 of those on the ground, just like that, right there, guys. Then you're going to need fur blocks of Kurt. You want to go ahead and place 1 of these on each side of your white wool, just like that, right there, guys. Now you just want to go ahead and you want to jump on up, grab your white wool, and place 5 of these on this side with 1 block of Kurt right on top, guys. Now you just want to go ahead and you want to jump on down. Son of a turkey leg, that hurt. Now you just want to go ahead and place 5 white wool on this side and then 5 white wool right in the middle, guys. Smack dab right in the middle, and then 1 block of Kurt on the edge, guys. Now you can just go ahead, run, and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created, guys. Now you just want to go ahead, whip out your flint and steel, guys, and light this baby up. Boom! Wow, don't that look absolutely amazing? That looks so amazing. That would definitely make me want to scroll down and smash that red subscribe button, guys. But now it's time to go ahead and head on in to the Heaven Dimension, guys. It's going to be absolutely amazing, guys, especially if I get turned into an angel. But wow, guys, just take a look at this place. And oh my god, right over here, some angels, guys. Wow, I cannot believe that I am actually meeting up with a real angel, guys. Wow, and look at her gold halo, guys. I really love her gold halo. And oh my god, she also has white wings. Wow, this is amazing. I really want those white wings. Wow, guys, she has the complete package, guys. The gold halo and the white wings. I really need to know who her supplier is, guys, and I need to become an angel ASAP, guys. But oh my god, is she leading me into heaven? Wow, guys, I cannot believe that we are actually in heaven, guys. And oh my god, look at this, guys. This is obviously just like where you lay down and you get a suntan, guys. Wow, this is amazing, guys. And oh my god, they also have a humongous swimming pool. You know what? I'm going to go for a dive. I'm going to go for a dive in the swimming pool. Let's go ahead and do this cannonball. Wow, guys, that was amazing. That was absolutely amazing, guys. You know what? That was so amazing. I'm going to have my pig do it because I really want my pig to do it, guys. So let's go ahead and have my pig go for a cannonball. Watch this, guys. Cannonball. Wow, guys, that was amazing. That was absolutely amazing. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and do it again, guys. Let's do this cannonball. Wow, guys, that is just so amazing. That is just really amazing. I would never get tired of that. But over here, guys, is another swimming pool. This is obviously, you know, probably for like the kids. So like all the kids and stuff that come to heaven, they obviously go for a swim in this kiddie pool right here, guys. I really love the big pool. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and go for another cannonball because I really love doing this cannonball. Wow, guys, I just really love diving into that swimming pool, guys. But over here is another swimming pool, guys. Obviously, this is for like all the pets and whatnot, guys, and all the animals, so like the dogs and the cats and the chickens and all that kind of stuff, guys. But wow, right here must be a restaurant. And oh my god, guys, there is a lot of cake inside this place. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and eat some of it, guys. What am I talking about? I'm probably going to eat it all, guys, because I really love cake. And, you know, when you're in heaven, you can eat as much as you want, guys. You don't have to worry about your belly popping or anything like that, guys. You can just eat as much as you want. And that's exactly what I'm going to do, guys. I'm going to eat all this cake, all of this cake. You know what? I'm actually going to leave some of it behind for the other angels because I don't want to be greedy and eat it all. But if you do make any mer cakes, let me know because I'm really hungry and I really love cake. It's so tempting to eat all the rest of them cakes, but I'm going to leave them behind because I'm a nice guy. But let's go ahead and check out the rest of this place. Oh my God, this must be the hotel. Wow, guys, and they have a diamond tree right outside, so you know they mean business. Let's go ahead and head in, and oh my God, these angels must be waiting to get a room, guys. They must be trying to get a room, but obviously the person that's handing them out is on break right now. I'm so sorry. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and check out the upstairs and see what's going on. Let's go ahead and head on up, guys. And wow, this is amazing, guys. Maybe if I'm lucky, they'll let me live inside this hotel. And oh my God, there's actually an angel inside this room, guys. Will you let me live with you? You will? Thank you. Thank you so much. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and eat all of this cake, guys. I'm just going to eat every single last bite of this cake. And look at her. She's like, I wanted some cake. I'm so sorry. You know, there's cake in these chests, so you can just go ahead and take the cake out of the chest and eat those, all right? Do you want to watch some TV? We can watch some TV, yeah. What's your favorite channel? The cake channel? Yeah, that's my favorite channel. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and leave though, guys, because I want to check out all of these rooms. Let's go ahead and check out this one. And wow, this room looks exactly the same, but it does have nice jumpy beds, which I really like, guys. And it has cake, which is always a plus to me, guys. I love all things cake. Let's go ahead and put some more cake out, guys, because I can't just be rude and, you know, leave these rooms without any cake. So let's just go ahead and place some cake right back on top, guys, because I want to be a nice guy and I want to give them back their cake. And I also want to watch some TV, guys, and they won't let me watch TV if I don't put all the cake back. But let's go ahead and let's check out the main top room, guys, because I want to see what's up here, guys. Let's go ahead and check this out. And oh my God. Whoa, there's 3 angels in this room. Honestly, I'm not going to be moving into this room because this is a packed house, guys. Like, there's a ton of angels in this room and a ton of cake. I really love cake, guys. I really do. And I love watching you guys' TV. What channel are you guys watching right now? The cake channel? Yeah, that seems to be a common thing around this place. It really does. It really does seem to be a common thing. Let's go ahead and check these chests. And wow, there's cake inside this chest. And there's also, well, cake inside this chest. I'll go ahead and take that cake for the road. Well, thank you, ladies, for letting me check out your room. I really do love it. I really do. Let's go ahead and head back down. You know what? I think I'm going to give those 2 angels that's waiting down in the lobby, I think I'm going to give them some cake. I'm going to be a nice guy, and I'm going to give you guys some cake. Do you guys like cake? Everybody loves cake, right? Yeah, I think everybody loves cake, especially me, guys. I really love cake. So let's go ahead and place this down, guys. Let's go ahead and place this cake down as well because they need 2 cakes. They need separate cakes because they are fully grown angels, guys, so they really do need their cake, and it's going to give them a lot of energy so they can do all sorts of crazy things, guys. But if you guys did enjoy this video, which I know you guys did, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.